Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn table lamp light red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn table lamp light green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn table lamp light yellow.
Okay.
Alexa, turn table lamp light magenta.
Okay.
It's cool. I'm gonna replace my conventional switch to a smart switch. This one have a dimmer. This is a smart dimmer switch. It's gonna connect with Amazon Alexa or Google Nest, whatever. So this is my existing wiring here, all neutral wire all together. This one is hot because I have a lamp over there. It's total 8 light over there. So this cable come all together here, and this one is a load. The red is go to the load, and this switch is here. This is another load is cut off. Is on neutral, and this is the new switch. So this one is a ground, the green one, white is a neutral, this one hot live, and this is the load. So I'm gonna interconnect with this switch. I wish this is gonna work. I also have one manual is come with this switch. So before install, I read this instruction. You have a couple of load L1, L2, L3. So let's connect this switch and with power it on, then let's see what's happening. So load is go all together, neutral all together. Put the tape and put the connector. Now I'm gonna put this connector here. Trim it off a little bit. So wiring part is done. Is a load, light, ground, actually neutral. This one is a ground. I can put it over there in the middle of this ground. And the switch is here. Now I'm gonna turn on this switch and see how it works. I think everything should be perfect. Let's do it. Just press and hold for a couple of seconds, then start flashing for Wi-Fi mode. Now I need to add this to my Wi-Fi. To connect with the home Wi-Fi, first of all I need to download this app for the switch recommended app. Then I gonna connect with this Wi-Fi. But one thing I need to mention, you have to register after downloading the app this device. Otherwise the Amazon Alexa doesn't connect with this app. So I need to download and connect with this Wi-Fi. Then next steps is go to Amazon Alexa app, and from the Amazon Alexa I need to search this particular smart switch. So this switch is for
Alexa,
particular
turn on
Amazon Alexa, but most of this Alexa and the smart switch is the same
Alexa,
method to connect
turn
with
off
this
light.
Amazon Alexa app.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Alexa, make light brightness 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, make light brightness 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, make light brightness 25%.
Okay.
So it's showing the brightness because this is on the dimmer switch and this light is showing 25%. Alexa, make light brightness 75%.
Okay.
See, now it's showing the 75%. The stock one is still not eliminate. Those things are eliminated. It's a cool smart home system.